Bru Displaced Welfare Organization has submitted a deputation to the State Chief Minister through the SDM of Kanchanpur on Saturday on their demands for the resettlement of the remaining 651 Reang Bru families came from Mizoram since the central government has already approved for the settlement in the state. The total approved family was 6,959 families as per the quadrilateral agreement was signed. However, 6,302 families were covered for the resettlement. It seems that 651 families are not able to resettle in Tripura as per the timeline extension letter for the resettlement of Bru families sent by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, which is why those remaining families are eagerly waiting for the next movement to resettle in Tripura. Bru Displaced Welfare Organization, the Mizoram Bru Displaced People's Forum, has submitted a deputation to the State Chief Minister through the SDM of Kanchanpur on Saturday on their demands for the resettlement of the remaining 651 Reang Bru families came from Mizoram since the central government has already approved for the settlement in the state. On that day, the people of Naiching village, Asapara and the Reang Bru people of Hazachara camp has submitted a memorandum to the Kanchanpur SDM through the rally.
Location incha abo by Hazachara no main ma ke haba laye tunai ni concern leaders hisna uta sora phono incha phono to su nangmo saha Mang boy mission ma kelai himo ma tai bo sa ha sa pi po si sa sot ke sang chu mo ke bo se poila po Tripura government approve kemo location mono chuling ta ha sora mai siyo kya bodu no chin lu go project kem mum sa ri lai pai ha ke ri lai pai tha an ma hi kha phang kono juga lai ham sa ma zo to juga lai to monim se ro ke NGO kehakkene boro Tripura msioni boro unai objection kemoni bawo aboje sorkari skanghu tongdi hima location ke cancel no ke via kebong singke tre location juda district juda o thani ma hiye kono chonglai ha ada jaga o ke objection kono tongpio khoksima komora kono jaga kono tongpio kehapong toibu Kamchi ama bang ma bro phono habdi bai kewe han oro to ani ma hiye siria pi ha bai ke chin lo projaro no chung thangye sarkari no nang khu ye hajang bai thang di hin phono thang ri lai mai yang lai tha ke government ro somoi timeline banawo asum singo je sarkari approve kemo location no tha nai thang yang sing ke chung le no le mai ro mai kha phono extension ke mai yang nai Kete resettlement package kono chunai rimayan onai aringe government by sale sa mano ar pochini logo projaro thangmaya himaya on thamonta te yo tini yo 651 le abuni msiuno klai tha ke pani sagar sub division of counting te no do by ke 657 on tha khabam no sorkari no attention draw kenen ba pando se tini yo satu
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.